guys, this is Karan Bonwell here. I got a new project. It's a home automation using 2 servos and 3 LEDs, using a Bluetooth module, breadboard, and Arduino Uno, and a Arduino Bluetooth app. So let me show you how it works. If you press 1 here, it will turn on the first LED there, and if you press 2, it will turn off this first LED. If you press 3, the second one, and 4 for off, 5 on the third one, and 6 off. Then 7 is for the first servo. Then 8 is for to turn off this first servo. Then for the second servo is A, and B is for turning it off. And if you press here the positive button here, it will turn on all the 3 LEDs. There. Okay, and if you want to turn off all the LEDs, just press the negative button. There. Just as simple as that. So please like, subscribe and share. This is my new project. Thank you for watching.